Hello everyone, today I make garlic chili vinegar. It's good for very long time and you keep it ready. You can eat it with noodles, you eat with sandwiches or whatever. Welcome to Saigon Cook Travel. On this channel I share with you everything I know, so please like, share my video, follow me and subscribe. Thank you. So it's not so spicy. I use only 2 Carolina Reapers, 4 cayennes and 2 bell peppers. So the level of spiciness you can control. With me, my level, that is enough. So I remove the seed because the seed is where the heads are. So I cut into thin strips and then I cut back the other direction so that it has small pieces, just like so. So that means you don't need to use any machine, blender, food processor, and then you just have a scissor and a knife. You can make this work. Here, my bell peppers, I use red, okay? Because this one, the red will provoke the spiciness that it doesn't have. If you just want something colorful, like chili, but not so spicy, you can use bell pepper. So every peppers, chilies, I got the same size here. Now, can you see? This is Carolina Reapers. These peppers stood #1 hottest chili for years. Right now they was overthrown, but their heat is still there. I use only 2, but can you see I'm wearing my gloves, and later when I wash my knives I coughing. It's so hot. Now to make it last for a long time without spoilage, I boil the water with 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of sugar, and I bring to the boil and I blanch on the peppers and on garlic, ginger and shallots. I didn't tell you that I have 1 or 2 garlic heads, 1 shallot and a piece of ginger, and I cut them small like chilies. Now to cook with the mixture to put in this chili, I use 1 part of 1 bowl of vinegar, 2 water, half sugar and 2 tablespoons of salt and 1 tablespoon of vodka, and I boil it and I let it sit to warm before I fill the container. The container I boil in boil water to sanitize them before I use. And follow on this my legs, you will have a mixture of ginger, garlic, shallot, chili, vinegar, and you keep for a long time, and you keep it in the fridge and never spoilish for you, and anytime you want it you just take it out and use. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it. Please follow me. Bye.